Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to create an Instagram banner. Instagram banners are considered as a relatively new and powerful type of content that grabs an audience's attention and inspires for more than just a quick double tap on a post. Follow these steps and you will learn how to create and upload a banner on Instagram. Firstly, go to your App Store if you have an iPhone, or go to Google Play Store if Android. Find the app called GridPost Grids Photo Crop and click to download it. Once it will be installed into your phone, open it, tap Photo Grids, and from your camera roll upload a picture that you would like to make as a banner. Now decide on how many pictures you want to divide your banner. You can choose from 3, 6, 9, 12 or even 15. And after that, click on the next button in the top right corner of your screen. One more time, click Next and done. Click on the camera roll to save your banner into the gallery. Now it's time to go to Instagram. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen and start uploading images one by one as you would normally do. Once you upload all the images, you will see something like this. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create an Instagram banner. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.